So guys, you can see here my huge aquarium. We're going to be putting substrate in this bad boy today. Are you guys ready for this? I mean, I'm excited. Yeah, that's the first step. I mean, you can see I have a discus in here. Let's ignore that because for another video. So, anywho, let's throw in the first batch. This is sand that I had before, by the way. But here goes nothing. Oh, exactly what I didn't want to happen, to be honest. It got really dark really fast in here. Let's see what it looks like so far. So we have a little bit of substrate in there. We have it looks like pieces of coral somehow got in there too. So we're still adding the substrate. I did about 2 buckets full. Still not at the level I want it to be, so we're gonna keep adding, see what we get to. We're probably gonna have to stop by PETCO again and pick up some more, but to be honest, I was kind of expected since this was just enough for the 150 gallon. Can't imagine this being enough for something that's 250 gallons. Last 2 buckets, guys. Last 2 buckets. I mean, I'll get to fill the entire floor plan, but not the thickness that I want, to be honest. So, but yeah, move some of this stuff out of the way. It's here. This is just water in here. This is just to get the majority of it out without splashing and making a big mess with the water column. Anywho, we're still not there yet. Still filling up. I think I'm in a better position right now. I can actually dump whatever's left in the bucket. That last bucket. Last bucket. Yeah, we're gonna do one more. We need more. Probably need 2 more bags, to be honest with you. But yeah, dump out this water in here. And then we're gonna make our way down to PETCO. So the sand is in there. There's little spots of white that we need to pick up later with the net. But that is all the sand that I physically have. I'm gonna have to let it get a little clearer to really see. But I want to cover up at least the level of silicone. So that's a few bags gonna be needed still. So I put a light on in there just so you guys can see the level that it's really at right now. It's a little blurry though. I mean, here's a little thicker, there's a little thicker. I want to get in to fill in this part, so it's probably about 2 bags to be honest. Here at PETCO, gotta buy some aquarium sand. So I put you guys in the cart to get a little better view, but the phone kept falling, and to be honest, it was really loud with the rolling. So I'm just gonna talk over it. Anyway, I'm going to go pick up the sand. I mean, I've been here so many times, so I know exactly where it is. And I've even purchased it from here before. So here we get to the sand aisle here at my local PETCO. I go and pick it up. I think it came out to $26 each, if I'm not mistaken. It's the Imaginarium Aquatic Substrate Black Sand, 20-pound bag. If you show them the price, I think you can save like $2 online. It's like $25 online versus $26 in person. But I didn't end up saying anything anyway. But yeah, I also saw these super cute little orandas. They're low quality, but they're really cute. Really thought about getting them, but no, I'm busy for other things. I also saw this pleco that has a sunken belly. You can kind of tell in the video. What kind of fish person, fish nerd, or whatever you want to call it, would I be if I didn't check the fish section? Anyway, they had rainbow fish. They had a nice selection of regular fish, platies, guppies, and stuff like that, but I didn't really go for it. I saw the koi and I really wanted it. They had those 2 really golden ones, which really caught my attention. They had these cute turtles too. One of them was hurt. And then I didn't even notice how many were up there. Look at that. All these red-eared turtles, and these are bearded dragons that I used to have before. Super cool. So I thought I had enough. Obviously, I did not. I ended up buying 2 bags of cement. Of black sand, and I also got a algae magnet for my aquarium too, so that's nice. I think this guy was like $17 or something like that. Little medium one. I was looking for a larger one, but they didn't have, so I ended up getting 2 of these bad boys. I have the other one in my backseat, but the sand came out to like $57. If I had to buy all of the other ones too, which plus the other 4, it's like $200 in. Whatever. It's done. I don't know if I need the second bag, but I bought it just in case because it was the last one they did have. Didn't want someone else to come pick it up. But yeah, I bought that. Anyway, guys, let's go put this sand into the aquarium. We're gonna rinse it, of course, and then we'll see how far we get. So it's looking pretty good. I don't know if we need both bags, but we have this bag here and that bag. 40 pounds of sand. I think this will be plenty though. We'll see. I don't want to make the substrate too heavy either, but it's just really to cover up that side and that side. So let's see. So what we're gonna have to do is actually put basically half that bag in here, rinse it 2 or 3 times, and then dump it in there, and then see how much we have left, and rinse again, versa, and then basically finish that bag and check if we need more sand or not. So that's all the sand that's in there. Now we're gonna add some water to it. Water, you want to stir it up. Get every piece wet. Due to the fact that otherwise it'll start to float. You don't want that in your aquarium. So you stir it up, make sure there's no air bubbles that stick to the sand. Things like that. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but so we've already rinsed out the sand twice. Now we're gonna put it in here. I really like the black sand look to it though. It is starting to, the tank is starting to come out really nicely, so I'm happy about that. Okay, looks like we're gonna be good with just the 1 bag. because we still have another full half bag, and we're pretty much full on this side. Just need to sort it out, see how high this is. Need to fix that, level it out a little bit better, but just need to cover up there and then we should be good. So we've done pretty good on it. I'm happy with it. Could level it a little better, but I'm good with the way it is. We're gonna return the second bag that I bought and we'll be good to go. I'm happy. Now it's time for fish. This has been cycling already for a couple of days and we've already used pre-cycled media, so we're good to go. I put on a little muck magnet. So anyway, guys, we added the sand to our aquarium and I'm happy about it right now, so we're doing good so far. That is step number 3 so far. We did filtration, we've done filters. Sorry, we've done setting up the sump with the right amount of filtration. We also added did the pipework and the stand as well. Now we also added the substrate. Next, we're going to be adding the lids. We have no lids. It was raining outside, so it's a little wet. But now we need lids for our tank because we don't want fish to jump out. And after that, we can throw in our stingrays. But until then, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna throw in the last discus as well. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this one, where we will be customizing this aquarium. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.